Despite the common belief that the best approach when dealing with a narcissist is to distance yourself and avoid seeking revenge or engaging with them, there is often a strong desire within us to take some form of action due to the pain and hurt caused by the narcissist's behavior. We may want to make them feel some level of pain, even if it's minor, just so that we can feel like we've taken a small measure of justice for ourselves. In this episode, I will share with you a simple way to hurt and upset the narcissist, although it's important to note that my discussion is in a general form to facilitate information sharing. It's crucial to understand that narcissism can manifest in individuals of any gender, whether male or female. Thank you very much for your support. If you find this content helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for helping to share this message with those who may benefit from it. You need to know something very important and act on it if you genuinely want to hurt the narcissist. The key to getting revenge on the narcissist is to deny them the one thing they feed on, which is your reaction to their actions. Initially, the narcissist may ignore your behavior to show that they are not affected by it, and they will escalate their actions towards you because they are confident that you will eventually weaken and show reactions to their behavior again. They know that you won't be able to maintain silence and inaction, and you will eventually respond to their insults and attempts to tarnish your image. The narcissist knows that they have an upper hand over you as long as they can get a reaction from you. As soon as the narcissist finds that they are getting a response from you, they feel satisfied with themselves, and they begin to give you a bit of peace to maintain this situation. What you want is for the relationship to go back to normal or be somewhat normal. So when the narcissist receives reactions from you, they start behaving better and dealing with you calmly because you want the relationship to be stable despite any problems that may occur in it. The problem is that this is not the end, it's a never-ending cycle, and what happens is that it repeats throughout the relationship with the narcissist. The narcissist will continue to treat you with disrespect and cruelty to provoke a reaction and interaction from you. However, if you genuinely want to hurt, upset, and discomfort the narcissist, you must stop providing them with the fuel they need, which is your reactions and interactions. Of course, for the narcissist, this situation will not be acceptable at all, and they will exert all their efforts and attempts to get a reaction from you again. When you withhold your reactions or anger towards the narcissist's behavior, they will feel defeated and greatly affected. They cannot tolerate this situation because they feel like they are losing control over you and the course of the relationship in their way. They won't be able to bear the continued lack of interaction or the complete cut-off from you, and they will do everything in their power to bring you back to your normal state and find the reactions they are accustomed to from you. When the narcissist tries their best to harm you or tarnish your reputation and receives no reactions or actions from you in return, they will completely shatter, and they won't have the ability to do anything else. The right thing to do at this point is to continue what you started and completely sever contact, especially since the narcissist won't have any means of reaching you except through social media. They may send you messages or interact with your posts in an attempt to get your attention, and their goal is to break the no-contact rule in any way. The ultimate goal of hurting the narcissist is to make them realize and be certain that you no longer think about or care about them in any way, even if it's minimal interest. You should focus on repairing and saving yourself from the harm they inflicted. Believe me, at this point, the narcissist will have no power or control over you at all. They will become entirely helpless when they see that they have no influence over you and that you have achieved success and happiness. This will make the narcissist look for another source to feed on. If you can successfully implement this strategy of complete no contact with the narcissist, and they see no reaction from you, especially on social media where they cannot find anything but your success and happiness, you will have successfully exacted revenge on the narcissist and made them lose all hope in you, as a source of supply. They will leave you completely and definitively. Even if you still have attachment and love for the narcissist during this period, cutting off contact will help you in ways you cannot imagine to overcome this phase and the pain you feel due to your separation from them. So, please be sure that you can indeed hurt the narcissist significantly, and revenge is possible, and it's quite straightforward. I hope you have benefited from this episode, and inshallah, God willing, we will meet in the next episode with a new topic on narcissism. Thank you, and peace and blessings be upon you.